Sample problem on compound curves. Basa lang natin yung sample problem natin. So, compound curve is the following. So, ito yung mga given na data, no? So, station PC, nasa station 12 plus 360. And then, radius 1 and radius 2 are given, 220 meters and 320 meters. Tapos, meron tayong central angle ng curve 1 and curve 2. That's 24 degrees and 36 degrees respectively. So, ito yung figure natin. We have station PC, station PT, tapos yun, mga usual na components ng isang compound curve. So, meron tayong dalawang curve, LC1 and LC2. And then, of course, meron tayong dalawang radius, R1, R2, and then we have dalawang central angle, which are I1 and I2. And then, ito yung angle of intersection natin. That's just basically the summation lang naman ng I1 tsaka I2 yan. No? So, yung pinapanap sa atin dito is yung station PT, which is kung solve natin or bigyan natin ng equation, station PT is just actually equivalent to you have station PC plus LC1 plus LC2. So yung kailangan natin hanapin dito is yung values ng LC1 tsaka LC2. So dito tayo sa figure natin, arc length lang naman yan, no? Para makuha natin si curve na LC1. So we have LC1 is just equivalent sa arc length lang, which is yung general na equation natin ng arc length is r theta. Theta natin is the central angle. No? So kung meron kang arc, yan. So ito yung theta, tapos ito yung radius, tapos ito naman yung s. So similar lang din dito. LC1 is yung s, radius, and then we have the theta which is I1. And then i-convert lang natin kasi naka-degrees yan. So, convert natin yung degrees into radians. So, we have pi over 180. So, LC1 is just equivalent to radius na 220 meters times I1 which is 24 degrees. And then, you have pi over 180 degrees. So, magkakancel yung degrees. Matitira is radians na lang. Times meter. So, yung LC1 natin is just meter. So, LC1 is just equivalent to 92.15 meters. Confirm na lang sa calculator, no? Pero, yan, I think ito talaga yung sagot niya, no? So, LC2, similar lang din yung gagawin natin, no? So, we have LC2 is just equivalent to R2 I2 times conversion factor na pi over 180 degrees. So, we have 320 meters times I2 which is 36 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. LC2 is just equivalent to, dito tayo sa calculator, pero hindi na natin na-record. Confirm nyo na lang yung value natin. That's 201.06 meters. Okay? And then, since meron na tayong LC1 and LC2, makukuha na natin si station PT. We have station of PT is just equivalent to station PC plus LC1 plus LC2. So, that's 12 plus, ano nga yung station natin for PC? 360, no? So, 360 plus LC1, that's 92. 92.15 plus 260.06. So, station PT natin is just equivalent to 12 plus 653.21. 0.21 ba yan sa calculator? 0.21, yan. So, pwede nang hindi actually lagyan ng unit yan kasi understood naman yan. This is 12 kilometers and 653.21 meters. So, ito na ngayon yung final answer, no? Kung ano yung station PT. Okay? So, madali lang, no? So, I think ito na yun para sa sample problem na to. And, yun. Thank you again for watching and see you sa mga next na mga sample problems natin.